I've got another resource guide here. This one is on storytelling with data. So this is one of these really popular, trendy words. And what does it mean? Well, really, humans are complex, right? We don't always act rationally, and sometimes thinking statistically and thinking about data is not really the easiest way for us to understand things. So, with storytelling with data, what we want to do is use some of those other ways in which humans convey and digest information, particularly with stories. We tend to be story driven creatures. We like to fall into a story that takes some empathy, understanding the perspective of your main character, your protagonist, having that call to action and that emotional kind of response. So we can actually do that with data, but it takes some practice, and that's why I have this 1 day workshop outline here for us. I'm going to do this in PowerPoint, so PowerPoint is an easily abused but potentially very helpful tool, and we can use it to help us as an aid with storytelling with data, rather than just putting it as a list of bullet points on a slide and that whole death by PowerPoint kind of thing. We can really use it as a storytelling aid. So that's what we're going to do in this workshop. I'm going to scroll to the next page, and I'm linking to this in the notes here. So this will give you all the learning objectives, activities, things like that, some data sets that you can use. And with this workshop, the second half of the day is kind of like a lab almost, where you're going to actually practice doing this. Again, this is something where it really does take a lot of practice to be able to tell a data story. You need to do it live, right, to really get how it works. So that's what this workshop will allow the attendees to do, to kind of workshop their data storytelling skills. So take a look, let me know what you think. Storytelling with data is one of those terms like you're going to hear a lot, and it's very nuanced, right? It's kind of an interesting idea, and you need to think about it very carefully. And I think that this will let you do that. And then PowerPoint is also, like I said, easily abused. So this workshop shows you the right way to do PowerPoint in the context of data storytelling. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you get some use out of the learning guide. Take care.